Greetings guys, welcome back. Review Samples Ed on YouTube. Remember to like, subscribe, hit the notification bell to be notified when new videos land. So today we're going to be looking at how to design a dashboard UI for fashion design agency. We're going to start with the UI design tool today. Then let's get right into it. So I'll create a new local document. Then I'll save the file. I'll select .sketch since that's what I'm familiar with from the previous version. So pick a place to save your file and you choose the name for the file. LO. So that's going to be O. Then I'll save. Okay, so there we are. Then come to layer here. So create a new frame. So I'll select HD. Then HD, what we're going to do, have one, we've got background and another color here in the fill section. Then I've got my color picker open, so I've got these colors here. So I'll select this color first. So this one will come here. Select that, paste that there. And background color, we're going to do this. Okay. Select that, then paste that there. Then we're going to do this now. We'll click there. Then we'll select linear. So linear, we want to achieve something like this, exact approximation of what we see here. So linear, we're going to do this. Let's see. Okay. Okay, that seems okay. Then I'm going to come here. Let's give the corner some rounded edges, 25. So 25 there. Then that looks good. So let's get started. So what do you have in the reference image? Okay, got an image here, logo. Okay. All right. Okay. So come and get the image control here. So that will open. I have the file saved. Some of these images will be in the starter kit. Okay, we'll bring that one there. Then we'll just give it some rounded corners. Say 20. Okay, so that looks good. So I'll put that there. So let's say our reference image. Okay, almost 1:1. Then we want a line. So put a line here. Okay, so there's our line. Got our line there. Then let's see. Okay, so far so good. Then I'm going to get our logo. Come here for the image control. Then we'll just go and select. Let's see, which one can we go with? This one here. So we'll put that there. And as a reference image here. Okay. Then we'll unlock that. Then okay, so that looks good there. Then we'll come here again. What do we need to add? Okay, some text. So get a text control. Okay. Just write that. Okay, welcome to mission control layer. Okay, and we'll just move that into position. So that font looks bold, regular, semi-bold. Okay, so I got that semi-bold. So let's change the color. Deep orange. Okay. Select everything in there. Then we enter that. Okay, so there we are. And there's a reference image C. Okay. I guess we can duplicate this. So this version of the UI design tool, just hold on. This is version 11.5. So in version 11.5, when you have a control like this, you just press Control D to duplicate or to make a copy. And I'll come here. Let's duplicate that again. Control D. Okay. Username. Password. Okay. Text box. So I'll get a rounded rectangle. And I'll do this. Okay, another one is coming out blue. Okay. Okay, so let's add the border. So that border will add this color. Let's paste that in. And then the fill color, we're going to do this. So just be ordinary white color. Let's increase the thickness of the border. Okay. A little bit extreme, or just leave it at 1. Okay, move that there. Then just have a look at this. Okay. Okay, so that looks a bit better. So move that, select, hold shift button to select multiple controls. Shift button, so move everything a bit down. Okay, there we go. Then we'll duplicate this control by pressing Control D. So I'll bring that there. So this will be the text box for the password. Then we'll go Control D again. So this will be the button. So just fill that one with deep orange. You can copy this color. Then fills will come there. Paste that in. Control V. Okay. Okay, then we can come here, duplicate that. And this will say So just move that there. Then what color is this text? Oh, okay, all right, there we are. Okay, I think that looks much better than that one. Okay, so I'll bring that there. Then let's make that okay, and come and duplicate this or the nearest one here. Come and change the color. And we'll bring that there. And this should be a one-to-one approximation of what we got here. So this is the login menu used for the WPF version of the application. Then there's just one more thing. So let me duplicate that. So I'll put this here. I'll say 25. Okay, and get a bit of text there. Let's increase the size. This new version just changed everything. Okay, then that should look nice. Then we'll just move that there. Okay, so this is the end of the tutorial here. So we're going to use this in the login menu for the WPF version of the application. This is the end of this tutorial. Remember to like and subscribe, hit the notification bell to be notified when new videos land. And yeah, thanks for watching.